is, if you believe in telekinesis, lift your right hand. That's my right hand.
There you
Sit. Ready? Oh my goodness! Look at all the tennis balls. So one of the questions I get most asked on the press tour is, who am I dating? That's a good question. Would you like to meet her? Love me. Can we have a kiss? Tess. Whole house for your dog and you can't find her. This is the one place she'll be. Look how guilty she looks. Tess, what are you doing? You know you're not supposed to be up there. Come on. I'm in my old bed, which is now Paddy's bed, with the princess. Oh. There's no pussycats, Tess. The squirrels. Tessa. Come on. Okay, goodbye. Tessa. Tessa. Where are the pussycats? Where are they? The pussycats. Tess. I love you. Tess. What's that? What's that? I mean, Tess, what's this? Oh, hey, hello. Oh.